Hi there and welcome to my channel. I am Carlo and this is my class for beginners. In this video we are going to see how to greet someone in Italian. Are you ready? Let's get started. Ciao! Buongiorno! Buon pomeriggio! Buonasera! That's it. Now a little challenge. Match these Italian nouns with the English ones. Pause the video and take your time. When you're ready, restart the video. Well done, you did it right. Now that we know the meaning, we may want to know how to use these nouns. What are the differences between ciao and buongiorno? Next challenge. I'll give you a couple of examples and I'll ask you to guess which one is formal and which one is informal. Pause the video and take your time. When you're ready, restart the video. Good job! Buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, buonasera are super correct, but they are a bit too impersonal. If we want to be warmer, we may want to add something. Signora, if the person is married, signorina, if not married, and signore for both married and unmarried. To be even more warmer, we can add the family name if we are not that familiar with this person, academic titles, or professional titles. So we may have professoressa, professore, dottoressa, dottore. I'll give you a couple of examples. Buongiorno professor Bianchi. Buongiorno professoressa Verdi. Ciao Lucia. Ciao Martina. Something more. Buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, buonasera. These are formal greetings and they use them when you arrive to a place or when someone arrives to a place. Ciao is informal and you can use it when you arrive to a place or when you leave a place. Super easy. I'm giving you a few rules to remember when to use the formal and when to use the informal. We use the formal with people we don't know, elder people, our boss at work, and professors, schools and universities. We use the informal register with family, friends, and whenever we are told to use it. It's now time to practice some pronunciation. Repeat after me. Ciao, buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, buonasera. Well done. I hope you liked the video and see you next time.